Finance practice exercises number 33. Mike plans to make contributions to his retirement account for 15 years. After the last contribution, he will start withdrawing $10,000 a quarter. That's the withdrawal, a quarter for 10 years. Assuming Mike's account earns 8% compounded quarterly, how large must his quarterly contributions be during the first 15 years in order to accomplish this goal? Well, before I can figure out how much he should be depositing in his first 15 years, I need to figure out how much he will need to have in his account. Okay, so this means for the first part of our problem, we are going to need to use the payout annuity formula with this information, and we need to find the principal. Okay, so I will substitute that information into the payout annuity formula. Okay, so to be able to withdraw that $10,000 every quarter, Mike is going to need $273,554.79. Okay, so that's the first part, and that becomes my principal for my annuity formula. So $273,554.79 is my principal. I need to figure out my deposits. So 1 plus, again, it's still that 8% divided by 4, and we're looking for those first 15 years. So that will be raised to the 60th power. I have my minus 1 divided by that 8% divided by 4. So as we have done quite frequently, we will figure out this amount first. Okay, and then once we get that done, we will take this amount and then divide by what we just got here. So our deposit will be $2,398.52.